What's up guys, how are you? So today is a stressful day because it's the day before a drift event. Even if everything was perfect, like if my car was on the trailer right now, I'd still be stressed out that something's gonna break, but it's okay. So last night, if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, I had some issues with my turbo. I had to take it all apart, machine it, everything. But before I started filming today, I just threw it on because the fact that that was off the car was stressing me out insanely, and I just wanted to bang it out, and I got on pretty quick. So far so good. I started up, everything sounds great. I'm really happy. Now all I have to do is put it on the ground, do a bolt check, do a rear alignment, put fluids in it, and she should be good to go on the trailer, hopefully. In preparation for the drift day tomorrow, which is gonna be sick because everyone's freaking drifting, I have to change 2 sets of tires, unfortunately, and just gather all my shit and make sure everything's straight. The day before a drift event is I always go crazy. But I got a bunch of packages in, and I'm excited to see what they are, so let's hope the car works. Well, this one's a small one. So this is a GM 3-bar map sensor with the pigtail. That can only mean, so this is what we need to convert the Black Z to speed sense density so we can get rid of the MAF. Hey, I got some sub mail on this one. Hey, the homie Chaka sent some new hats. That's awesome. Hell yeah. You guys notice I've been wearing the same hat forever. I've been lacking haircuts, so I've been wearing a lot of hats, but homie hooks up, so if you're watching, thank you, bud. Sweet! There's the motor mounts that I've been waiting for forever. So I'll probably swap these out with the orange one soon. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger and they're black, so they're not all ugly and orange. And then this one is one I've been extremely excited about. Yes! Here we go, guys. Right here. Nismotronic ECU for the Black Z. Now this is the same ECU that I've been running on my S13. I put it in Jip's car, we're gonna put it in Drew's car, and now putting it in the black car. I love it. I've mentioned before, it basically is a stock ECU that the company, Nismotronic, actually puts their own board in it and gives you like a USB drive and a breakout box, so you're able to add sensors and tune it real time by yourself, which is awesome. So now I can actually correct the tune on this car and put the power where it needs to be so the car actually hits, and I'm extremely excited. So hopefully I have something to put that in today. If not, no worries. Who's back in town? Little Tukey. Drew and Tucker went on vacation. I'm happy to have you back, buddy. I know you guys have missed him. Let's bleed this thing. It's got a lot of machining oil to burn off, but I don't feel any more air pushing, which is really good. Very happy. All right, thank God. I'm so relieved. The car is driving amazing right now. So I'm actually peaking 2 psi higher than usual, which means that we did fix the leak, which is pretty cool. So S13 is good. I gotta do a quick alignment. I think that's it. I don't want to get into it because I'll probably end up calling more issues, but DJ's here. And you have to use outside. This is crazy. My stress level has dropped by like a million.
Here.
Would you smell, Drew?
Worm.
Oh, yeah.
I can smell it from here.
Hey, it still runs.
First time driving with a welded, as you can tell.
How you doing?
The hamburger locker.
Guys, I gotta play musical freaking wheels right now, trying to get all the wheels that have decent tire on them to, you know, swap around. What's he sent, Donald?
I'm not nice. Adam
Get that
22
shit out of here.
Let's get him right. Tucker, we're doing this. You hear me?
Putting the chain on him?
You win tonight, boy.
Oh boy. Drew fumbling with the latch.
That's it.
Look at it. Hey.
Hey, you can't even see it.
Shining like my diamonds, you heard me?
Don't get caught in the sunlight, you'll get blinded.
Alright guys, last goddamn tire I gotta flip. As you can see, I have really bad camber wear, so if we flip it, put this on the inside, get a lot more life out of it.
Silhouette shot.
We done. Look at the Corvette. This Corvette got a 5.3 truck motor in it. He's sleeping. What do we got here? Come on.
This one's for DrewTube.
No, dude, no. Oh, I'm happy you didn't. Here's your dog.
Oh, thank you. The pass off. The ultimate pass off.
Wavy, you going for a ride? Your first time?
Yep, it's my first time. Safety first.
Giving Jip the pass off.
Thank you.
So we got the DSMXs, the unlipped ones, but they actually match the design of these wheel pretty cool. So Jip needs tires, so we're gonna hook them up. I'm excited to see it on here.
Subtle pass off.
Subtle pass off. Come on.
Go get his ass.
What will he do next?
Whatever the fuck I want. Public service announcement. If you're using these advanced auto lugs, they're like super acorn-like, they hit on the work, John, the work center capping stuff. What's the point in running hot boy wheels if you can't flex? So, I'll wait. I'll get my own set. Feel me? You won't use the D-ring. Drift day update.
If you want to. I got one
Professor
D-ring
got
I
it
use
on.
at work.
Hey, what are you doing, man? Get this shit out of here.
You can put that in your car.
Yo, no paparazzi. Yo, who do you think you are?
Film an update.
Stop. Don't look at him.
Well,
Yo, get the camera out of here. Do whatever you want. Seriously. Seriously, turn that fucking camera off. I'm over it. I'm over it. Turn the cameras off.
Well, the S13 is all loaded up. Hopefully it's good to drift. I'm really upset I'm missing a rear bumper because now it looks like butt cheeks, but whatever. All right, cool. Pushing it in for me. So the FD is going to be going in the spot it should have been this whole time, which is in like the project spot, which is like right here.
Good.
You guys did great. Thank you.
I just followed that. It was all me. Fuck you.
Dude, seeing this in here is the coolest thing ever.
mediocre at best.
What was that?
I said it looks great.
So guys, really stressed out about getting everything ready for today. I thought I was gonna have a lot more issues with my car than I did, so I kind of like over panicked for and didn't film too much today. But still hope you guys liked today's video. But I cannot get over this car. I keep staring at this. This thing makes me so happy to see it in here. Tomorrow's a big day because I'll be drifting, Adam will be drifting, Ruddings will be drifting, all my friends will be drifting. It's gonna be an awesome event. So if you guys are at Lock City, come say hi, of course. And yeah, I'm excited. Wish me luck. Really excited we got the ECU for the Black Z right there. So we're gonna tune this ASAP. The tune for the E36 just came in. Jordan from RK Tunes actually just sent it over, so we gotta import that. So both of these cars are gonna be tuned either Sunday or Monday, whatever. We'll get them both done. And so stay tuned for that because I'm really excited. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Not that I wanted to just change it down.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm used to the puzzle. I'm gonna go ask and see if they could find my other piece. Hopefully, like, no one ran it over on track. Ripped my D-back bumper. You know what? This has lasted a season and a half, so it's not that bad.
That's awesome.
Sweet. So they actually found the bumper chunk for me, and they took it off track. So I'm really excited. I really hope it's my bumper chunk because it could be like it could be a lot of different cars. But I see it.
Where? Oh, that's it.
Hey, there it is. There's the missing link.
That's amazing.
Sorry, B-Hall.
It's really put together.
Yeah.
It's so good.
It's gonna take so much body filler to make this thing look normal.
Brian's gonna love it.
I'm gonna attempt it, and I'm gonna do it the wrong way, and B-Hall's gonna get mad at me, but it's gonna look good. We'll make it. Should've went KBD.
Yeah.